My name is Emiel van der Staak. Welcome at restaurant De Nieuwe Winkel in Nijmegen. Let me tell you a little bit about this beautiful dish. This is the Kombu cracker. We looked for a variety of kombu, kelp, seaweed, that did not have all the fibers and was thin enough to make it puff. So eventually we find that one variety. We cook it, we dry it, and then we fry it, and it starts to puff, and it becomes this really crispy cracker that we finish off with kohlrabi and SCOBY. Kohlrabi has been roasted for about 15 hours together with quince juice, becoming very rich in flavor with some acidity, which is nice and easy to digest. And then we combine it with SCOBY, and SCOBY you might know because of it producing the kombucha. Then on top of the kombucha you see the growth of this big jelly thing. That's the SCOBY, the symbiotic combination of bacteria and yeast. And it's pure cellulose, and that is not something you could eat directly. You have to cook it, and there are two ways to cook it. You can add an enzyme, which is cellulase, or, and that's the way we do it now, you can cook it in water with sugar, and then it starts to get more tender. After that we marinate it for 2 days in a very strong seaweed broth, and you end up with the snappy texture that you might know of coquille Saint-Jacques, for example. On top of this nice little dish are pickled flowers and fresh flowers from the season, and we garnish it off with also some pickled Szechuan pepper. The kombu cracker, long cooked kohlrabi and SCOBY. Please enjoy.